She's an elite sniper. After successfully rescuing a prison guard taken hostage by criminals, she uses her pinpoint accuracy to guide the guard to retreat in the opposite direction, because her team leader desperately needs someone familiar with the prison to act as a guide. With the help of sensors deployed in advance, she doesn't even turn around and takes out the enemy sneaking up behind her. At the same time, on the other side of the prison, a full-scale riot has already broken out. Inmates seize weapons and force their way out of the cell blocks. One prisoner gives the order: as long as they kill the Americans, they'll escape this cage. It turns out the CIA director is inside the prison. He's here to interrogate a Taliban prisoner. Intelligence shows the Taliban have stockpiled large amounts of explosives, preparing to launch a saturation attack on a US military base. The director must confirm which base is the real target. To protect him, the team immediately orders, seize the control room and lock down the prison. The guards report to the team leader. The entire prison has only one exit, the front gate, but on the west side, there's a newly built wall that could be their way out. The team leader gives the order at once: withdraw covertly to the west. Avoid the front gate. The female sniper quickly reaches the first floor and successfully links up with the support vehicle. Together, they move west. Then, something goes wrong. Command detects a Taliban regular unit will arrive within 5 minutes. They're coming to support the prison riot. The team continues pushing west. They absolutely cannot be discovered, because this mission has only one objective: get the director and the hostage safely back to the United States. During the retreat, the team leader lays electrical wires in puddles on the ground, setting traps to slow the pursuit. The team finally reaches the west side of the prison. The leader climbs to the second floor and sprinkles white chalk powder from the window, marking the breach point. The team member on the first floor moves into position. Explosives are placed at the marked spot. The next second, a deafening explosion rocks the area. The team successfully breaks out of the prison. But just as they start the engine, the armed forces supporting the riot appear outside the prison. A high-speed chase immediately erupts. Enemy firepower far exceeds expectations. In the chaos, the vehicle loses control and crashes into a deep pit. Command immediately calls in drone air support. But there's a problem. They're too close to the Taliban fighters. If they don't create distance first, once the missiles hit, everyone will be blown up together. Finally, the team leader makes a decisive call: everyone out of the vehicle. Cover the director, and the hostages retreat. Air support arrives fast, delivering precision strikes on enemy vehicles. But on the command screen, everything turns chaotic. Smoke and dust block the view. The situation on the ground can't be confirmed. They immediately open the radio and call out to the team.
Anyone report status?
Was whole, healthy, and delivered like a center on Sunday.
In the end, once again, they perfectly complete the support mission.